All right, TikTok, I'm gonna make another dish that I grew up on. All right, just another simple recipe my mother used to make. Potatoes, carrots, onions, ground beef. Then I got the seasonings. I'm using Kinder's. It's called The Blend, founded in 1946. Dell's seasoning, founded in 1946. And ironically, my mother was born in 1946. So in honor of her, God rest her soul, I'm going to make her dish tonight. So basically, just put all the ingredients in a foil pack, wrap it up real tight, put it in the oven for 45 minutes, and enjoy.